In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy a domain with Ionos step by step so you can secure a professional web address for your website or project. Even if you've never purchased a domain name before, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what to click, what to look out for, and how to complete your order with confidence. Let's start from the very beginning, opening the Ionos domain checker. Go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Ionos website. On their site, look for the section dedicated to domains. You should see an option called something like Domain Checker or Check Domain. This tool is where you'll search for and confirm if your desired domain name is available. Think of it as the search engine for domain names within Ionos. Once you're on the Ionos domain checker page, it's time to search for your domain. In the search box, type the domain name you're interested in without worrying too much about the www part. Focus on the name itself and the extension you want, such as .com, the .net, or a country-specific ending. Try to choose something short, easy to spell, and relevant to your brand or purpose. When you're ready, hit the search button. Ionos will now check if that domain is available. If it is taken, you'll usually see a message indicating that it's already registered, and you'll be shown a list of alternative suggestions, often with different extensions or slight variations of your original name. If this happens, take a moment to review the alternatives. You can tweak your original idea by adding a word, changing the extension, or using a different but related phrase. If your first choice is available, you'll see that clearly, often highlighted with a price next to it. Once you've found a domain you're happy with and it shows as available, look for a button or link to add it to your cart. This might be labeled Add to Cart or something similar. When you click it, the domain will be placed into your shopping cart, just like adding an item in an online store. Sometimes Ionos will suggest additional domains to bundle together, such as the same name with different extensions. You can choose to include those if they make sense for your brand, or simply stick with your original domain and continue. After your chosen domain is in the cart, proceed to checkout. Click on the cart icon or a button that says Checkout or Continue. On the checkout page, you'll usually be asked to review your order. Take a moment to confirm the domain name is spelled correctly, the extension is what you want, and you understand whether you're paying monthly or yearly. You may also see optional extras like email hosting, web hosting, or security add-ons. Only keep what you actually need. You can often add more services later. Next, you'll either sign in to your existing Ionos account or create a new one. Then enter your billing details and payment information as requested. Before you finalize everything, double check your order summary one last time. When everything looks correct, confirm your purchase. Once checkout is complete, your domain is registered to you through Ionos. You'll usually receive a confirmation email, and from your Ionos account dashboard, you can start managing your new domain, connect it to a website, or set up email addresses.